Hello, how are you guys? This is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you back to our video tutorial series on AutoCAD. So friends, in today's video, we'll proceed towards the completion of our plan. So let's get started. So first of all, let us delete this as we don't require this for now. Then we can go towards our toilet portion and then first of all we'll take an offset of 4 feet and 1 inches from here. So O space and then 4 feet and 1 inches. From here we can take this offset and then again an offset of 5 inches and then again an offset of 4 feet and 1 inch. So this offset has been done. Then again an offset of 5 inch. 5 inch space and then this. So this offset has been done for our toilet. Now we can do this one, that is 6 feet and 7 inch. So double space and then 6 feet 7 inches from this portion. So our offset for our toilet portion has been done, and then also we have a wall of 5 inches. So we're done here for this. Now for the utility portion, we can give an offset of 4 feet and 11 inches from the outer wall. So double space and then 4 feet and then 11 inches. We also have 5-inch wall here, so 5 inch. So this is for our utility portion, this one. Then again we can give an offset of, you can see that this line, this outer wall and this 5-inch wall is in the same line, so we can give an offset of 11 feet and 3 inches from here. 11 feet 3 inches. So after that we can give an offset of 5 inch. Next we can give an offset of 11 feet and 8 inch. 11 feet 8 inches. This is our next offset of, so it is already existing here, so we need not give this. We'll press on escape and then we also have this already, 5-inch wall, we already have this. So we're done for here. Now we can trim the unnecessary portions from here. So we'll use our trim command, tr double space or double enter. Now we can trim this portion and then this portion. So we'll remove this and then we can remove this portion as well. After that we can remove this portion. So we have removed all the unnecessary portions from our drawing. Now we can remove this portion as well. Now this one is remaining, so we can give an offset here of 10 inch first, escape and then O space, offset of 10 inches and then we can give an offset of 7 feet 9 inches, double space and then 7 feet and 9 inches space, and we have a 5-inch wall here. So double space and then 5 inches. So we'll trim these unnecessary portions, tr space So we have trimmed our unnecessary portions. Now we can compare them. We can also delete these things, small things. We can also delete these small things later. Now we can compare these two plans. So they have started to look similar. As you can see, this balcony, this is the utility area, kitchen, bedroom, toilets. We have not inserted our doors and windows, and also we have some finishing works like this small works. So in the next video we'll proceed further. Hope you are enjoying this video and keep learning with us. Stay tuned to our channel and please do comment, because through your comments only we get to know your feedback and which topics you are interested. Bye.